TTI makes manufacturing in Mexico faster, more secure, and more convenient, with money-saving efficiencies at every step in the process. TTI has an expanding network of strategically located warehouses in the major manufacturing centers of Mexico. We refer to these as proximity warehouses because they are so close to your production lines. In many cases, a TTI truck can make daily deliveries directly to your manufacturing facility. As a registered IMEX and tax certified entity, TTI handles your freight forwarding, required documentation, and necessary certifications. Our specialists consolidate governmental pedimento procedures and fees, as well as streamlining services to improve flexibility, speed, and savings for your manufacturing process in Mexico. With local inventory and in-country inventory tax and duty advantages, TTI can save you thousands of dollars in freight forwarding charges, offer daily deliveries for just-in-time manufacturing operations, and open up valuable floor space with TTI's proprietary Advanced Inventory Management, or AIM, supply chain programs. All of this comes together in Mexico to provide you with components from the premier, authorized, interconnect, passive, electromechanical, and discrete semiconductor suppliers in the electronics industry. When you're ready to improve your supply chain to and in Mexico, look to the specialists the industry trusts to have the right parts in the right place at the right time. For additional information, contact your local TTI specialist at 1-800-CALL-TTI or visit us online at ttiinc.com.